Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Today we are going to draw Major League Baseball superstar Bryce Harper of the Philadelphia Phillies. So Bryce Harper was selected first overall in 2010 to the Washington Nationals and was the National League Rookie of the Year in 2012. He is an incredible batter. I mean, his swing is amazing. We've had several requests for Bryce Harper. We're excited to draw Bryce Harper. He was the National League MVP. 2015 was actually the youngest Major League Baseball player to win the MVP, and he won his second National League MVP in 2021, just recently, with the Phillies. So let's do it. Let's draw Bryce Harper. Everybody find the middle of your page, and we're going to draw Bryce Harper's head in this area and the body down here. Okay. We got our black markers, thin tip. We're going to draw the brim of the hat first. So we'll do kind of this big arch. And then we'll go up, curve, over, and down. All right, we're going to draw Bryce Harper's face coming down here. So let's do big down and up. This will be kind of his beard. We'll do an ear, kind of points out, comes down, an ear that points out and comes down. Let's do the neck. We'll do a small neck. We're doing a cartoon style Bryce Harper. So the big head, little body. Point. Do a shoulder. Shoulder, sleeve, down to the waist, over, up, and the sleeve connects to the shoulder. Okay, we're gonna do a big baseball right here. He's gonna be holding this big baseball, so do a circle the best you can, an oversized baseball, because once again, this is a cartoon style. We'll do a finger here, another there, and his thumb may be holding the ball down here. Okay? And we're gonna do his arm down, the elbow coming down, goes into that baseball. All right. Now over here we're gonna do arm down to the elbow, goes over, kind of goes up. And the hand is going to be a curve to the thumb. Okay, so this kind of curves. What he's going to be doing is this hand is going to be sitting on top of a baseball bat. So let's do the baseball bat coming down. Curve out, comes down on an angle, and then it goes up into the hand. Okay? Now let's do a belt. We'll do a rectangle. We'll do another rectangle that meets into the belt. Buckle. So there's the buckle and this is the belt. All right. We'll do some legs. Some small cartoon legs. And a couple of socks down here. Yeah, we received a couple of requests for Bryce Harper, and what a great request. I mean, Bryce Harper is a superstar, and the baseball season is rolling right now. It's fun to watch, so we're excited to do this one. We're gonna do some big cleats over here. So there's the tongue of the cleat. There's the tongue of the cleat. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelace, okay? And then over here we'll do a big, almost like a clown shoe. Come straight across and up into the ankle. Same thing over here, bring that ankle down, or bring the heel down from the ankle. Now this shoe is gonna be behind the bat, okay? So once we get to the bat, we'll stop. So go straight across, Actually, we don't need to stop. We can go right under that bat. And then this big shoe is going to come up and into the bat. Stop. Okay? So now let's draw Bryce Harper's eyes. We'll go up here. We're going to do some circles. One circle. These are cartoon eyes, so we'll do a circle on the inside. This circle stays white. Another circle, this circle stays white. This circle stays white. These are highlights, right? And then let's do a little nose. And a mouth, okay? So for the mouth, so the nose we went down, kind of did this scoop. For the mouth we'll start in the middle, go up, up like a little V. See that V? And then we're gonna go down, down. Okay? And I'm gonna just trace that and color it in black for Bryce Harper. Okay? And then do a little line underneath. Okay? So it's almost like a bird looking shape. Goes to a point, and then a line underneath. Okay? Now around this, we're gonna do a black pupil, leaving that circle white for our highlight. Okay? And now we're gonna hit fast forward. Well, actually, let's do the logos. These logos are kind of challenging, so let me see if I can help us do the logo. I'm gonna get a maroon colored marker for the Phillies. We're gonna do the maroon and light blue uniform for the Philadelphia Phillies. I really like this one, so here we go. This logo is kind of challenging, so press pause if you need to. We're gonna go up, curve, and then down to a point. So it's a P, but it's kind of a challenging P. It goes up, curve. Now inside this Phillies, we got this curve. It's almost like a sideways raindrop. And then another one. All right, we're gonna leave that. Now I'm gonna that's gonna stay white. And then over here, all this can be colored the maroon. Okay, we'll do this more in the fast forward, but just to let you know, this hat will be maroon. Now let's go down to the jersey. We're gonna do a big P and the number 3 for Bryce Harper. So the P is going to be similar. It's gonna go up, curve, down to a point. And then I'm going to trace that because we're going to have a white outline. And then the number 3 over here. So we go straight across. Straight across. Okay, we're going to color this number 3 with maroon. And the shirt around it's going to be blue. We're going to color this Philadelphia P maroon. And the shirt around it's going to be blue. I'll do this a little bit better in the fast forward, but I just wanted you guys to see what we were doing here. We'll do a maroon stripe down the pant. Another maroon stripe down the pants on the side here. Maroon socks. I'll color this in a little better in the fast forward. And that's about it. That's the block out. We're gonna do a nice beard for Bryce Harper. I'm gonna get this light kind of yellow, kind of a yellow marker. So what I'll do is this. We're gonna go down, down, and his beard goes all the way up to his ear, goes all the way up to his ear. And this beard is gonna start out with this yellow, and we can add some dark brown in a minute in the fast forward, but I'm just kind of showing you what we're doing here. Okay, sketching it in, doing it real quick, and then in the fast forward I'll draw it, color it all in better. I'm gonna leave that bottom lip white. So we're kind of making these scribbly marks for his beard, because beards are nice and scribbly. Okay? Then his eyebrows, they're gonna be a little more pointed. Color that in. Up to a point. Color that in with the yellow, because he's a blonde-haired player. All right, we'll get the red. We'll quickly mark in the seams of the baseball. Curve out, and down. Okay. I like to just make the seams look like this. I put some lines that way. Some lines this way, to make it look like the baseball. And we'll do the same over here. It almost looks like a feather, but these are the seams. And if you ever need to pause or stop, feel free to do so. I know some of these drawings are challenging, but that's what's fun, right? It makes it fun to do these drawings and try something new. So we're gonna color this in now. Maroon hat, light blue shirt, light blue pants, maroon socks, light blue shoes, brown bat, maroon sleeves, and then flesh color. And that's Bryce Harper of the Philadelphia Phillies. Thanks for drawing with us on Hey Kids Let's Draw. Don't forget to subscribe. Let us know what other players, baseball, basketball, football, soccer, whatever sport you like, let us know what you'd like to see, and we'd love to put it on our list to draw for you. Subscribe and fast forward now.